Last week, in Wildlife class, we took a closer look at animals in the rainforest by learning to draw them in detail and by designing simple activities to make animals curious. This week, we'll be looking back through all the videos we found of animals in the rainforest and telling stories from the animal's point of view.
I am Foxtrot. I was just on my morning walk when... Was that another fox? Because I've never met another fox before in person like that. I'm asking myself, should I go back?
What is this smell? The dove thought. The dove followed the scent to the mirror. What is this thing here? It thought again. I like this place, it thought while wandering off.
This is my drawing of it, and its name is Kira, like my name. Hi, I'm a Cody. My name is Kira. What's that sound? Mwah. Mwah. I'll never know if the tapir was nice. Mwah. Nuzzle, nuzzle. The end.
Over the past month, we've worked together to find wild animals in the rainforest, to build our own maps of where they live, and to understand and share stories about their lives. This was our last class from the rainforest, and now we start to make our way across Guatemala and back to Providence to finish this class. Join us next week for our last class, where we all come together in downtown Providence to see the work done by our students and build our own tools to keep looking closely at the natural world around us.